Another warning in WXJ55 listening area. Yale County is in this listening area. Here we go, EAS 87. 80 miles an hour winds, I never saw that. If you're in this area, please stay safe. My prayers to you. See, 80 miles an hour winds and like baseball-sized hail. Or whatever it is.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm.
I never encountered this.
Montgomery County in western Arkansas, south central Yell County in central Arkansas, western Garland County in central Arkansas, until 5 p.m. At 4:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mimosa, or 11 miles west of Mount Ida, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and baseball-sized hail.
Baseball, yeah.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage.
Wow, flying debris and 80 miles an hour winds, that's cool.
Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Location.
Wow, I've never experienced this on my channel. My first 80 mile an hour severe thunderstorm warning on my channel. A VDS severe thunderstorm warning. Another tornado.